Hi everyone, this is Oscar again from Multimedia Marketing, and it's another year. It's another new year, 2020, and we'd like to say hi to you guys. It's been very busy the past years, and today we're gonna share with you another tutorial series of what we are doing on Builderall platform. And we've been bragging many times about Builderall and its great platform. And today I want to share with you a tools that um, most business owner, entrepreneur, can use if they are running their own business. If you guys have been wondering, some of the website who offer tutorial courses or e-learning, this is the great thing with Builderall platform. They also have a tools that you can now also create your own tutorial courses. If you want to include on your website. Just say, for example, you guys are running digital marketing or social media marketing, advertising company, or it could be any business. Say you're a real estate and you wanted to have a tutorial courses on top of what you're doing as a real estate um, business owner, or it could be anything like videography, photography, or makeup and hairstyle courses, or cooking, or whatever you could imagine part of your business that you're doing, and you wanted to add a tutorial courses on your website. So this is we have been bragging for many months now about Builderall, and that is the tools that what Builderall can offer, and part of that is the what they call a e-learning, where you can create your own tutorial course. So I'm gonna go over now. Without further ado, I'm gonna go over now and make an actual creation of that tutorial. Okay. Yes, as I was saying, guys, Builderall is really a great platform, and I cannot exchange this platform to any website builder that I've been used, from Wix or WordPress, or even ClickFunnels, So this is the all-in-one digital platform that anyone could use, right? So we now go over to the tutorial on how you're going to make your tutorial courses or e-learning on this platform. So I'm gonna go over to this uh, apps here. It's so easy to use that anyone could make it on their own. So you might think that creating a tutorial courses before, I have no idea on doing this. I'm kind of like, how do these guys doing all those tutorial courses, with and I've been thinking it's gonna be kind of like hard, or finding a software to do that, but not anymore, because we have a builder or platform that provide that apps, all in one platform that we are using right now. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is create, because we have here the courses that we have done. Okay, right there. So the first thing you want to do is I'm gonna hide over right here. Okay, first thing you wanted to do is create your module, and then the lesson, and if you want to add chapter, or I'm gonna show you example here that we have done. All right. Okay, digital courses. So this is what it's gonna look like, right? So from here we have the module social media strategy, Okay, and from there, there is a lesson, a value of social media strategy, essential component. So these are the lesson, right? That uh, was in there. So I don't want to go run it. So I'm just showing you how it looks like, right? So we're gonna make a actual tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so we're gonna go back right there. So first, you're gonna go to the Builderall platform. That's the first thing you wanted to do first. You have to acquire or get the Builderall platform in order for you to have a website builder or uh, anything that you need, kind of like a all-in-one platform, digital tools that you can use on your business. So, okay, we're gonna go over here and we are going to create a course. Let's say you're running a real estate, right? You have a real estate mortgage company and you want to teach people how to create to make a tutorial on how to start a business out of having a seller or something, or any kind of business, photography or video production, makeup stylist or cooking. So everything you need to have for you in order to learn how to create your tutorial courses is here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go over again and we're gonna start to create our uh, tutorial course. Let's say you wanted to have a cooking course, right? Let's say just do anything that you wanted to have as your uh, what courses do you want to teach to people? All right, let's say culinary. Okay, courses about culinary cooking or whatever. Okay, that's the category name. Just click the add category and it will show up here. Okay, so from there you're just gonna pick up the choose this culinary cooking. So means that includes into that tutorial. Okay, so uh, French cooking, just it's kind of like you wanted to have a specific type of courses that you want. All right, so cooking, okay, French cooking, and then you have to select your teacher. Let's say you're running the show, then you have to click you're doing and creating your own course. So we're just gonna click that. That's how easy it is, and you have your culinary cooking right here right now. Okay, I'm gonna delete, I think we make it twice, so I'm gonna delete the first one, and it shows right here, right? French cooking, culinary cooking. It depends on what type of tutorial or e-learning courses you want to have on your website. Okay, it doesn't matter. So just showing you how to do it. So once you get there, you're gonna click the these three dot here and click the edit button. And from here, we'll see, excuse me, the layout where you can have the module. You have to put the module right first, and then the lesson. And the good thing with this is you can also create your, let's say, if you want to have your student, get their certificate, you can add a questionnaire and then you can run a test, involving that tutorial course that you made, and then you can create a certificate for them, right? If it's happened that you're gonna charge the courses, if you're selling the courses, they can have their own certificate once they're done and complete the course. Okay, so that's what basically is. And then the student will show up here with student, and you can add the frequently asked question for your student, and the theme, what kind of how is your the funnel looks like, when just like the one that you've seen on my account, right? So I'm using this theme. It depends how on your brand, right? So I would let you do that. translation, English, could be, you can do it, in Russian, Spanish, or whatever. But basically, you want to run, whatever, nationality or language that you want to use, right? So I'm using mine on English. So, okay, from there, what we're gonna do right now is you're gonna create a module. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. So this is just a test. I'm gonna do a, so it's up to you how you're going to do it. So test cooking, that is my module one, and I'm just gonna have that, right? And copy. That's the module name. And for you, you're gonna have to use your own, right? So test cooking one, and then create the module. Bam. Okay. So you're done. You got your, you created your the courses, and then the module. And what's gonna happen next is you want to create, on this button, you want to create a uh, okay, we leave it that way. You want to create a lesson out of that tutorial courses that you have, all right? So it shows up here, right? The module is test cooking one. So there are so many ways to upload your courses. Okay, I'm gonna show you to you right here. You can use a recorded video on your Vimeo account, Vimeo, or you can upload the video straight from your computer, or you can grab it from video Amazon, or if you have an HTML page right from your website, you can do that as well, and HTML code. And if it happened that you want to add a PDF file, let's say you have a platform, or you want to give a cheat sheet on your on your client, you can also upload your cheat sheet right here. And I'm just gonna show you a sample. All right, what happened is they can download that PDF file uh, from their computer. So if it happened that you want to do that, you can do that as well. Now we're gonna go over, and we're just gonna add a video tutorial, okay, that we're going to upload uh, on other platform that you have your video, right? Let's say for if it's in Vimeo or YouTube or in Amazon, you can just get the URL link and embed to this. It's kind of like taking time. Okay, so here we go. Okay, what we're gonna do right now, okay, there's another thing that you need to do uh inside the course, right? You might wanna check out here. Let's say if you want to have your members or your student sign in without having their email or their user's name and access the course right away, you can do that by clicking this button here, right? But if you want your student, sign in first, you just want to uncheck the that check button right there. So now we're gonna have to import the video from YouTube, where I'm going to have my tutorial video. This is just an example, right? So basically, you can have your own, right? So I'm gonna go over to my YouTube first, right? So as I said, you can import video from your computer itself, or wherever you want to get your video. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some video here that I have. This is just a sample. I'm just gonna grab a random video, right? So this one I'm gonna have here.
As a business owner, running a business by yourself can be a highly frustrating.
From your YouTube, you're just gonna go and get the URL. Okay, so I'm gonna go over again. So from your channel, all right, if you're having a YouTube channel, you go to your channel and grab the video that you want to have on your courses. So basically, all your videos, all your tutorial will be in YouTube, in Amazon, the one that I mentioned earlier, or it could be in your computer. Okay, so click this button here if you're in YouTube.
As a business owner, running a business by
I'm just
yourself
gonna
can be
pause that, and I will get the URL. Okay, this is the URL. I'm just gonna copy it and go back to uh, the Builderall platform. I'm gonna go YouTube, and I'm gonna use the URL and paste that URL right here. Okay, bam. All right. So that's the can. Then you're just gonna add a title, right? Say, cooking lesson introduction. That's basically what you're gonna do, right? So it depends on what business, right, you have. So copy it, and then you wanna have that here, okay, on your description or whatever description that you might have, right? So you want to add more specific, explaining about the course that you have. Okay, the duration, right? You want to check how long this will run, right? It's 3 minutes, right? So I think this run, it depends on video how long it will run. So you can
running a
do,
business by yourself can be a highly
you can
frustrating
do
affair.
like say 6.0, and that will compute how many minutes it runs. So okay, if you wanted to have your student finish all the video first before they move to another lesson, you want to check this. If you don't want, just leave it alone. So some people wanted to go jump from one video to another, right? So if you want to do that, leave it alone. But if you want to have them finish all the video first and move on to another lesson, then you can do that. And if you required a test after lesson, you want to click this. That's basically what it is. And I will show you how you're going to create a test right later on. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you're going to have all these video into your e-learning platform. Okay, so save it, then click OK, and then we're just gonna check out what we have done, and just click this button here. There you go, you get a test cooking lesson introduction. It shows up here, right? That's the video, but they asked me to, because I didn't click this button here, as I said, right? If you want to go over again, I want to, unclick that right here. See, goes without registration. I'm gonna click this, so I don't need to sign in. That's the thing, right? I can't sign in, right? So I'm gonna click that one, and then I'm gonna go over again to the course and click that button. I just want to show you how it looks like, right? There you go. That's the video that we uploaded from YouTube to Builderall. So this is what is the your student will see on your lesson. Okay.
As a business owner, running a business by yourself
Right.
can be a highly frustrating affair. From
There you
social
go.
media management to digital marketing.
Okay. So that's basically, and it's gonna be just the same thing again, right? If you're gonna run over again, so go to that course that you have, go to the edit, and if you want to add another module, okay, let's say you want to add another module, okay, just gonna run over testing. Let's just say this is a module, cooking number 2. Okay, same procedure that you're going to do, right? So click this button here, paste, and then create the module, right? And then click the OK button, and it will show up here, right? And you want to edit this because, okay, let's say this percentage here is it's for the test that you're going to have. 50%, 75%, it's the passing grade. It's your decision how you're going to let your student pass, right? So we're gonna go over again here and let's check, okay? See, your module 2 comes up here. And what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna add another video, right? So we're gonna go over here, edit, click the edit button. Very easy peasy, okay? We're gonna go to the lesson, and from the lesson, oh no, no, no. We're gonna go to the module, right? And we're gonna go right here to your module number 2. Then we edit and add another lesson, okay? Create a lesson. We're gonna go over here. So that's where you're gonna go. Lesson 2. So title, okay? Cooking number 2. It's just pretending, right? So you're gonna go over again to your, let's say, another video that you have. Just gonna pick up random, okay?
Hi everyone again.
All right, so share. We grab this URL, copy, go over back to your Builderall platform, and then paste that URL, right? And then I got again another the duration, how long it would take. Put that one in there, and then you require or the duration or not, it's up to you. And if you require a test, just click that button. And another thing is the description, okay? You can do that, all right? Then save it. Boom, right? There you go. You got the video on your module 2, lesson number 2. That's how you're going to do it. Then we're going to go back and check that video that we did. This is the module 2. And then if you click that one, the lesson comes up here. And then we're going to go over and see your video is right there. That's how
Hi
easy
everyone
it
again.
is,
This is
right? So basically, you have your tutorial courses already. And it shows up here the login, the registered, that's going to be your homepage, on your tutorial. And on the next video, because it's taking so much time, right? So I'm gonna cut this here. This is I'm just showing you how it's look like, right? And how easy to create a full tutorial course, right? Right there, like say for example, see how this is the video, all the tutorial that I have, right, for my student, right? So everything is there. So right, so everything is, all the information is right there. And I'm just gonna show you again how is the okay, we're gonna go over here, right here. The- you can see from here, right, there's a final test, but I'm going to explain that to you. You see right here, there's a final test after all the courses and the lesson, right? And then let's say you want to submit this, but I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video because it's taking so much time, right? So we don't want to let people bored by having a long explanation, and they're not interested to watching this video for so long. So the next video I'm going to share with you is how you're going to embed that tutorial courses that we made into your website through Builderall platform, as well as the how you're going to create the tests and have your student get the certification on my next video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it and you find value on this. Have a good day. This is Oscar again from Monkey Media Marketing. Thank you. Bye.
feel just like a rock star.